Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix claims process with USAA step by step clearly. Start by gathering all necessary documentation related to your claim. This includes your policy number, details of the incident, and any relevant photos or receipts. Log into your USAA account on their website or mobile app. Navigate to the claims section and initiate the claims process. If you haven't already filed a claim, select the option to start a new claim. Fill out the required fields carefully, ensuring all information is accurate. If you experience issues with the online form, consider calling USAA's customer service for assistance. Once your claim is submitted, you will receive a confirmation email. Keep this email for your records as it contains important information about your claim status. Regularly check your claim status through your USAA account or the app. If updates are not available online, reach out to USAA's Claims Department for clarification. Prepare to submit any additional documents requested by USAA. Respond to requests promptly to avoid delays in the claims process. If you encounter disputes or disagreements regarding your claim, ask for a claims adjuster to review your case. Document any conversations you have regarding your claim for future reference. If you remain unsatisfied, consider requesting an appeal of the initial claim decision. Follow up consistently to ensure that your claim is processed in a timely manner. Once your claim is approved, review the payout details carefully. If you have further questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to USAA for support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.